boxes. If anybody help you with the one box. Okay, again, this one.
Salah liu.
Liu.
Salah Salah liu's cute puppy.
Very good. One box for you. Next one.
I'm Salah Liu.
I'm Sarah Liu. Two boxes for you. Next, can you read this?
My family has just
Just
moved into
into
our
our
new
new
house on
and
Avenue.
betul, avenue. Okay, my family has just moved into our new house on Elm Avenue. Okay, one box for you. Next one.
We plan
We plan
to
to have
we plan to have
to have
a
a few
fair
a few
few friends
mm-hmm.
friends over for a barbecue.
Barbecue. Very good. We plan to have a few friends over for a barbecue. Good job. Two boxes for you. Next, read this one.
I just love barbecue.
Ni bunyi A ni.
Betul lah I betul lah cikgu
Ni bunyi A.
ju-
Bukan jus.
I just love barbecue.
Very good. I just love barbecues. Okay, next one. One box for you. Next, can you read this one?
Hot today.
Hot.
Hot hot dogs.
Mm-hmm.
Hot dogs. Burger.
Burgers.
Burgers.
Mm-hmm.
And apple
Juice.
Juice
Juice, betul. Very good.
with
With
lots
uh,
of ice cubes.
cubes. Very good. Okay, hot dogs, burgers, and apple juice with lots of ice cubes. Two boxes for Hafiz. Next one. Can you read this one?
I have a puppy
I have.
name. I have a puppy name Q.
Betul. Chewy. Chewy. Okay, I have puppy named Chewy. Okay, next. One box for you. Next one. Can you read this one?
He is so cute.
Very good. He is so cute. Two boxes for you. You've crossed the finish.